Monte Club, Kalinisan, Velasco, Landicho, Sabino, Dinglasan. Jump ball between Lavarias and Sabino.
Yes!
Jumbo.
Rebound by Rasta. Rasta pass to Lavarias. Intercepted by Kalinisan. Kalinisan reverse shot, no good. Rebound by Lavarias. Lavarias pass to Gado. Gado lacing it up for two. Good, but no good. Rebounded by Sabino. Pass to Dinglasan. Landicho. Step back three. Ni Velasco, no good. Rebounded by Apollo. Pass to Salazar. Passes to himself. Lays it up for two, no good. Rebounded by Gado. Pass to Kalaban. Dinglasan. Dinglasan pass to Kalinisan. Kalinisan, pass to Dinglasan. Dinglasan to Sabino. Sabino for two. Good for 2 points by Sabino. Salazar. Slicing it up. Pass to Lavarias. Fakes. Lavarias step back. Pass to Rasta. Rasta shots for two. No good. Rebound by Sabino. Pass to Velasco. Velasco stops. Pass to Kalinisan. Crossing over. Kalinisan, pass to Dinglasan, Dinglasan. Shots for two, no good. Rebounded by Sabino. No good again. Out of bounds, same ball. Sabino, pass to Kalinisan. 10 to shoot. Kalinisan, no good. Rebounded by Lavarias. Lavarias. Wow, Eurostep good for 2 points by Lavarias. Out of bounds, same ball.
Bakit ang pogi ko?
Landicho. Pass to Velasco. Velasco intercepted by Apollo. Apollo lacing it up for two. Good for 2 balls by Apollo. Kalinisan. Kalinisan takes. Pass to Dinglasan. 10 to shoot. Landicho for 3. No good. Rebounded by Velasco, but it is out of bounds. Turnover. Remaining time 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Salazar. Pass to Lavarias. Lavarias shots for 3. No good. Rebounded by Dinglasan. Dinglasan pass to Landicho. Slicing it up. Pass to Dinglasan again. Dinglasan no good. Rebounded by Apollo. Apollo to Salazar. Salazar lacing it up for 2. Good for 2 points by Salazar. Landicho. (14 to shoot. Sabino. Reverse. Good for 2 points by Sabino. 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Apollo, pass to Lavarias. Lavarias passes to himself. Good for 2 points by Lavarias. Kalinisan shots for 2. Good for 2 points by Kalinisan. Salazar nagmamadali. Lacing it up for 2 again. Up rebounded by Apollo. Apollo for 2. Up rebounded by. Nobody rebounds it.
Dave.
Monday Club's ball. Score 8-6. Kalinisan. Crossing over. Kalinisan pass to Velasco, shots for 3. No good, rebound by Rasta. Pass to Dogans. Dogans. The bot guard. Lazy it for 2. Good for 2 points by Gato. Kalinisan. Pass to Velasco. Velasco for 2. No good again. Rebounded by Sabino. Sabino good for 2 points by Sabino. 8-10. Apollo for 2. No good. Rebounded by Apollo again for 2 again. Good for 2 points by Apollo.
Five minutes.
Rasa. Paso Lavarias. Lavarias nakalusot. Lavarias ititiran. Dos. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Dead ball.
Change 5.
Pasok mga bata. Nova. Cielo.
Apolong naiwan sa court. Pass to Villenas. Villenas back. Nice back for Villenas and converted into the points by Apolong. Reyes. Binabagawag ni Villenas. Reyes, pass to Kalinisan. Kalinisan for 3. Not good. Rebounded by Sabino. Pass to Kalinisan. Noah. Pass to Reyes. Racing is dancing it up. Pass to Sabino. Sabino for 2, but there is a foul. Foul committed by Hinagpisan. Hinagpisan, that is our first personal foul in the first team foul. Good for 1 point by Sabino. Now for the second and final throw. Good again for 1 point by Sabino. Garcia. Pass to Apolong. Apolong for 2. Good for 2 points by Apolong. Nice pass by Garcia. Kalinisan. Pass to Sabino. The dagger man. Good for 2 points by Sabino. Garcia. Pass to nobody and turnover.
Miscommunication.
Kalinisan Noah. Noah to Sabino. Sabino for 2, but there is a foul again committed by Lavarias. Lavarias, that is your first personal foul in the second team foul. Sabino is back again on the free throw line. No good for his first throw. Now for the second and final throw. No good again. Rebound by Apollo. Turns it over. Noah. Kalinisan, pass to Sabino, back to Noah. Noah dribbling the ball. Pass to Kalinisan, Cielo. Cielo for 2, no good. Rebound by Sabino. Pass to Hinagpisan. Hinagpisan, pass to Villenas. Villenas raising it up for 2, good for 2 points by Villenas. Kalinisan to Reyes. Reyes back to Kalinisan, Cielo. Traveling by committed by Cielo here. Apollo. Intercepted by Reyes. Reyes, nice pass to Cielo. Kalinisan, no good. Rebounded by Garcia, pass to Lavarias. Lavarias pass to Apolong. Apolong for 2, good for 2 points by Apolong. Kalinisan. Bumps, fakes, shots. No good, rebounded by Villenas. Garcia to Lavarias to Apolong. Apolong intercepted by Velasco, pass to Kalinisan. Pass to Kalinisan again. Kalinisan for 2, no good, out of bounds, same ball.
Time remaining.
Sabino rebounding the ball. Pass to Reyes. Reyes fakes. Reyes bumps. Reyes turnover. Garcia. Pass to Inagpisan. His 3-pointer. A bit short. Rebounded by Inagpisan again. Pass to Garcia. Kalinisan. Kalinisan lays it up for 2. No good, rebounded by Kalinisan. Kalinisan for 2 again. No good, rebounded by Inagpisan. To Apolong. Apolong for 2, good for 2 points by Apolong. Kalinisan Noah for 3, good for 3 points by Kalinisan Noah. Inagpisan to Apolong. Apolong for 2, good for 2 points by Apolong. Buburahin kaya ni Rafi ang 52 points ni Aguilar. Good for 2 points by Velasco. Last 20 seconds. Inagpisan to Garcia. 10 to shoot. Lavarias for 2, good for 2 points. Last 5 seconds. And that is the end of our first quarter.